In this video, I'm going to show you 3 places to find free fonts to use legally in your business. The first place is Font Squirrel. So right here on the homepage, you can just scroll through the fonts, or further down here on the right, you can choose one of these different categories or tags to find fonts that you want. So if you want some retro fonts, you can choose that. And then when you find one you want, you just click download TTF or OTF, and it'll download onto your computer, and then you can download that file. Some of them, like this one right here, are off-site downloads. So it'll take you to a different website, and you can see here that there's a font family that you have to pay for. But if you scroll down, you'll see this version is free. So we'll add this one to cart, and then add this free one here. And you want to make sure that the total is 0, so you aren't getting any of those that you have to pay for. Then go to view cart, and you can check out. If you don't have an account, a lot of them, they do make you get an account. But that's how you can use Font Squirrel. The next is Google Fonts. So here on the homepage, you can just scroll through their fonts. So here are different font properties you can filter. You can filter the thickness. So if you're looking for a really thin font or maybe a thicker font, you can also do the slant, so how italic it is, the width, some narrow fonts and then wide ones. And you can also filter by how many styles. So those are things like light, bold, extra bold, semi-bold. Those are all different styles of the font. So it's usually a good idea to have at least a couple, probably about three or four different weights for a font, so you can have your bases covered. And then when you find one you want, you just click on it. And now here you can see all these different options of the thin, and it goes down to a black. So you've got a lot of different options with this font. And then to download it, you just hit it right there, and it'll download onto your computer. Dafont is the last website. The first 2, all the fonts on those sites are free to use for commercial purposes, but with Dafont, a lot of these are only free for personal use. So in order to search, first we'll just select an option up here, let's say a comic style font, and then you'll have to hit more options, and right here, click 100% free. So now you know that all the fonts that pop up here are safe to use for your business. And then when you find one you want, you just hit download. So those are the 3 places you can find free fonts for your business. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to get our free DIY design guide, where we give you tips on how to do your own design for your business, we've got a link in the description for that as well, so be sure to check that out. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.